This is how to restore MongoDB database. First, open your MongoDB Compass and connect your project. And if you are restoring from scratch, click your project, create database, name your database, sure, and be sure you know your collection name. So this will be stocks and create database. Now let's import the JSON file. Let's go to stocks and click select and click import. So now you have restored a database in MongoDB, and if you want multiple collections, just add a collection. So click your database, create collection and name your collection, click create collection and import data, and click your JSON file and click import. So this is how to restore MongoDB database.